In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Hostinger Affiliate Program, full 2025 guide. In just a few minutes, you'll go from visiting the homepage to accessing your affiliate dashboard so you can start promoting confidently. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Hostinger's official website. Hostinger is a well-known hosting provider that offers everything from basic website hosting to more advanced solutions. Take a moment to look around the homepage. Getting familiar with their plans, features, and value propositions will make it easier to talk about them later when you're promoting. Now scroll down the homepage and look for the link to the affiliate program. It's commonly placed toward the bottom of the site, often in the footer, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Keep scrolling and exploring the navigation. When you find the affiliate program link, click it to open the dedicated program page. On this page, you'll see an overview of how the program works, the types of commissions you can earn, and the key benefits. Hostinger's affiliate program is known for competitive rates and a strong set of resources, which is great whether you have a website, blog, or audience on social platforms. Read through the details so you understand the basics of how referrals and payouts are tracked. Next, look for the button or link that says Access Affiliate Platform and select it. This takes you to the affiliate portal where you'll either sign up or log in. If you're brand new, create your account. If you've joined before, simply log in with your existing credentials. For a new account, you'll be asked for some basic information such as your name, email address, and other relevant details about your promotional activity. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Correct information helps with smooth approvals and ensures you receive timely compensation for your referrals. After submitting your details, log in to your new affiliate account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your control center where you can find your unique affiliate link, check earning statistics, and access marketing materials and tracking tools. Spend a few moments getting comfortable with the layout so you know where to find banners, links, and reports that can help you promote effectively. And that's it. You're now part of the Hostinger affiliate program. By following these steps, you've put yourself in position to leverage Hostinger's resources and potentially grow your online income. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, actionable tutorials. Happy promoting.